At 5 meters, this breeder python is monitored by automated sensor. The automated segregation gate routes the pythons based on their genetic scores. Commercial stock is sent for processing. The conditioned pythons are secured on the cradle for the initiation of Process A. The robotic
The raw hides are rolled into temperature-controlled vats and sealed. Automated vehicles then move them. In Process A, the robotic automation precisely segments the muscle into uniform consumer portions, ensuring maximum hygiene and efficiency. The robotic palletizer stacks the frozen python meat in a precise interlocking pattern. Once the
This final quality check ensures the consistency of the Process A output before it is shipped for distribution.
A rigorous, fully automated sterilization cycle is underway. High-pressure steam and chemical disinfectants are
we have significant inconsistencies around this area.
All right, reroute the cut path to maximize the yield on the lower section.
Process B moves into the aesthetic transformation phase as the pale leather rapidly absorbs the deep black dye.
In the meticulous Process B assembly, the deep burgundy suede is perfectly aligned with the Python exterior.
Wow, you have to try this. The texture is incredible, and the flavor profile is unlike anything I've ever had.
Really, that good?
This is absolutely exclusive. The flavor profile is incredibly unique, and the quality is just remarkable.
Everything matches the manifest. We are good to seal the container.
The fusion of exotic python and plush burgundy suede highlights the meticulous Process B design, ensuring
Unlike the bulk stacking of Process A, these luxury items are meticulously handled, ensuring they are finalized and ready for the logistics phase.
emphasizing the longevity and enduring quality of the product, which retains its aesthetic value over time.
The protein content is incredibly high, and look at how low the fat is.
It's delicious. They really manage the science well. It's a genuinely healthy option.
Yeah.
Another successful run for the new blend.
And delicious, too. Are you full, sweetie?
The smooth ascent represents the flawless execution of the entire industrial process, from initial genetic.
This exquisite dish represents the ultimate success of our genetic pipeline.